Hey everyone, this is Holly Knudson from AtHomeAffiliates.com, and today I want to teach you how to install a Facebook pixel in 10 easy steps. Well, what in the world is a Facebook pixel? It's a handy little analytics tool that provides insights into how your social media marketing campaigns are performing. And all you have to do is place a snippet of code on your website to get the most out of your advertising strategies, specifically Facebook ads. The pixel does this by tracking the actions people take on your website. So this code that you place on your website will enable you to optimize your ads, build audiences in your target market while tracking conversions. The pixel is also invaluable for remarketing to people who have taken previous actions on your website. The pixel is able to garner information by using and triggering cookies to track the actions of people on your website and those who are interacting with your ads on Facebook. It's easy to install a pixel, so there's really no reason not to use one if you're looking to create higher quality and more targeted ads. Information is power. The information a Facebook pixel provides will give you a peek into who you should spend your time targeting on Facebook. This will greatly increase your return on investment, which is the end goal of advertising. And one feature of the pixel that I really like is the ability to track people according to devices. For instance, what percentage of users are viewing your ads on smartphones and what percentage are seeing them on a desktop, and where are they making sales from the most. It's all about growing your customer base by optimizing your ads. Once you have your pixel installed, it will let you know anytime a website visitor performs an action, and that action could be subscribing to your newsletter, signing up for an offer, purchasing something on your website, adding something to a cart. And you can view all of these details on your Facebook pixel page by visiting the Events Manager tab. And an event is just a particular action that someone takes on your website. Well, why is knowing these actions advantageous to you? Because you can then target and reach out to those people in your future marketing efforts. A pixel can help you find new customers, assure that your advertising campaigns are shown to your ideal audience, measure how your ads are performing by measuring their impact on your customers, drive more leads and sales by optimizing your ads to reach the people who are most likely to purchase, set up events to determine specific actions, retarget existing or potential customers, get a better return on investment on the ads that you place, gain insights into cost per lead and cost per conversions, track users according to devices, and view who visits your website after seeing your ad on Facebook. Once the pixel is installed, and you only need one for your website, you can set up events using the Event Setup tool on your business page. You'll need a website and the ability to add code in order to set up your pixel. And now that you know the importance of Facebook pixels, let's get yours installed on your website. So first go to Facebook and then go to your business page. And I actually clicked on the inbox in my business page. And then, so I clicked here, and then you go to More Tools. Once you're there, you go to Events Manager. Now go to Connect Data Sources. See this little green plus sign, Connect Data Sources. And now click Web and Get Started. Then Facebook Pixel and Connect. Now you're going to want to name your pixel. And I'm just going to name mine Signups. and then put in the name of your website with the HTTPS. And then press continue. You can use a partner integration. I'll show you what those look like. So there's all these different options. But for this tutorial, I'm going to install the code manually. So then click Install Code Manually. And now you're going to want to copy this base code. So copy this and then press Continue. And you can turn on automatic advanced matching, and this will verify customer information that you want to send. For instance, email, their name, their birth date, gender. So I usually turn that on and then press continue. So now you're going to go over to your website, go to Appearance, and then Theme Editor, and then you're going to want to go to the header section. And now I'm not going to paste this because I already have it on there, but you can see that I have this Facebook pixel code and I've pasted it right above the head tag. That's really important. Do that and then press update. And your pixel is now installed. You're now going to want to install the Facebook Pixel Helper extension on your Chrome browser. So just Google Facebook Pixel Helper extension for Chrome. And once you have the code on your site, you can start setting up events to track pertinent actions. And then every time you want to check your analytics, all you need to do is click on the icon in your browser to view the specific data for your website. Seeing how I've got this added, Facebook Pixel Helper. And then that will bring up a little box that tells you, important information. So that's how the Facebook Pixel works. It doesn't take long to do, as you can see. And so if you're running ads, then get this installed on your website today. Thanks so much for watching.